So here in this workshop, what we're trying to do is we just want to know what your current situation with your business is. In the last workshop, we focused on what your business goals would be. In this workshop, let's just look at your current situation. Before we start going out there to look for customers, before we start doing anything, where are you right now with your business? What are your current sales numbers? What is what has your business done in Africa up to date? And what countries are you located in? And if you haven't done anything, that's fine. Put that as zero, no country. But here we just need to take inventory of where your business is right now, and this will give you a sense of how far it is from your um, business goals. It'll also help you understand what the type of challenges you have faced so far in trying to hit your business goals. So download the workbook and then fill out the responses to those questions, and I'll see you in the next workshop.